Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore cleaning data for effective analysis. Let's dive into how to handle dirty data, discard or impute values, and clean data using Python for accurate analysis. We'll start with an overview of the presentation. First, we'll discuss what dirty data is and its different types. Then, we'll explore techniques to discard dirty data. Next, we'll look at how to handle missing and outlier values using imputation. Finally, we'll see how Python libraries, especially pandas, can simplify the process of cleaning data. Let's begin. Dirty data refers to inaccuracies in datasets that can affect analysis. There are three common types of dirty data. Missing data, which includes unknown or blank values. Outliers, which are significantly large or small values that skew results. And duplicates, where identical rows erroneously repeat. Addressing dirty data is crucial to avoid bias and inefficiencies in your analysis. Now, let's talk about discarding dirty data. One approach is discarding instances, where we remove rows with dirty data, especially if they form a small, random, and uncorrelated percentage of the dataset. Another option is discarding features, which involves removing columns with a high percentage of missing values. Lastly, pairwise discarding allows rows to be included or excluded depending on the analysis but is less commonly used because it complicates comparisons. If discarding data isn't an option, you can use imputation to fill in the gaps. Hot deck and cold deck imputation replace values with those from the same or other datasets. Mean imputation replaces values with the average of the feature. Regression imputation predicts missing values using relationships with other features. Choosing the right imputation technique depends on how well the feature correlates with others and its importance to the analysis. Python makes data cleaning easier with libraries like pandas. For example, you can drop duplicate rows, remove missing values, or replace missing values with the mean, all with just a few lines of code. These methods ensure your dataset is ready for accurate and reliable analysis. In summary, we've discussed the types of dirty data, missing, outlier, and duplicate values. We explored techniques for discarding or imputing data and highlighted how Python simplifies the cleaning process. Effective data cleaning is a critical step toward unbiased and efficient analysis. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.